Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi 10A to an Android device. Begin with opening Play Store on both. Then you need to click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now download this app from this developer and choose Open. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on Xiaomi smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now click on bottom left corner of your Xiaomi on Send and tap on Receive on an Android. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots. And finally, hit Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though, so I will go into Photos category, click on only one, choose Send, and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, click on one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks, and just close this window. As you can see, finally, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. Or we can input this key over here and tap on the Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!